From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
The Virgin Islands, both the British and U.S. territories, have a rich culinary tradition influenced by African, Caribbean, European, and indigenous Taino cultures. Fungi, pronounced foon-gee, is a traditional Caribbean side dish closely associated with the U.S. Virgin Islands, particularly St. Croix, St. Thomas, and St. John. Foon-gee is similar to other Caribbean staples like cuckoo, pronounced cuckoo, Barbados, Fungi Antigua and Barbuda, and foon-gee Cape Verde. Its roots trace back to West African cuisine, where a similar cornmeal-based dish, known as fufu, was made from starchy vegetables like cassava or yams. Enslaved Africans brought this culinary tradition to the Caribbean, where it evolved using locally available ingredients like cornmeal. Foon-gee is a simple, hearty side dish made primarily from cornmeal and okra, cooked to a thick, polenta-like consistency. It is often served with fish dishes like stewed or fried fish, callaloo, a leafy green stew, saltfish, salted cod. Foon-gee is a comfort food and a staple in the Virgin Islands cuisine. It represents the island's African heritage and adaptation to local ingredients. It is commonly served at traditional events, festivals, and family gatherings. Today, foon-gee remains a beloved dish, sometimes updated with modern twists like adding cheese or herbs. It is also featured in local restaurants as part of heritage menus.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.